That's so nice.
Dito medyo maluwag.
Dito maganda. O talaga, flashbacks of Singapore going to my...
Tapos yung baba nito, hanit, silip ka sa baba. Diyan. Silip ka dyan. Yung baba dito, ayan. Dito maganda rin dito. Yung kanina,
Oh, this one is nice.
yun yung nilakaran natin kanina.
Maganda dito.
Ayan. Yan yung nilakaran natin.
This part, it looks so nice.
Oo nga, dito maganda
Di
dito.
ba? Because of the lights. 100% worth to come here, mga kapre. Really, like, go, like, eat snacks first, and then when it gets dark, you will look it like that. It's so nice, so romantic. Actually, here a bit walking is awkward.
Bakit?
Because it's like you're bothering everyone.
Oh, kasi lahat nagpipicture.
Kuya, makano isa? 80?
Oh, 80 raw.
Isa na lang.
Magaling ka na pumili.
Oh, magaling.
Okay na sa akin. Matamis ba?